Go for the second diesel start in 15 years. Had it run a little bit ago. Try and video it this time. See if it make a liar out of me. Don't do as I do. I got gas leaking all over the place. As you can see, I disconnected the welder. So it's just the engine. I can't get it to idle down any lower. But I think if the welder was hooked up, just the fact of spinning the welder, it would idle down. Got good gauge readings. Blower fan. Pinion brake didn't work on it, doesn't work. That's one of the things that's going to need attention. So I had to start the pony with the pinion engaged, but the diesel under decompression. The pony was strong enough to start it. I spin it up and made sure I had oil pressure. And engaged the compression lever. And the pinion would kick out with no fuel, so that's going to need attention. So when I started it this time, before I compressed the diesel, I had to hold the pinion in manually with the lever. So when I was able to hold the pinion in and compress the engine, and give it fuel, it started. So there's some stuff that's going to need attention for sure. But at least it runs. The pony's going to need some attention. The flywheel dances about a 1/4 inch back and forth. But overall, I'm happy with it. As old as it is, and my owner's son said it hasn't been running in 15 years. I suspect I probably believe him. I had to file the points on the mag, clean the points on the mag, and clean out the fuel system on the pony motor. That's all typical stuff when it sits that long. Okay, thanks for viewing my video. Lincoln welder. I guess terminology is a Lincoln 600. Slang term for it. Again, do as I say, don't do as I do.